Welcome to our first lesson about multibody parts. In the next few lessons, we're going to learn how to work with multibody solids in SOLIDWORKS. We'll also learn about the circumstances in which working with multibody parts is desirable. Let's begin with a sketch. Right-click on the front plane, Insert Sketch. Take a normal 2 view. Let's pan down a bit. Now activate the rectangle tool. Let's drop it about here. Right-click and select. Select these 2 lines and add an equal relation. And let's apply dimensions. 30 millimeters here. Let's say 25 millimeters here. And accept. And we're ready to exit the sketch. Let's take an isometric view. Now activate the Extruded Boss Base tool. Make some adjustments here and click OK. Now when I add the Boss Extrude, I end up with a single body. By the way, if you don't see the Solid Bodies folder, go to the Options icon, click on Feature Manager, and select Show next to the Solid Bodies icon. Let's cancel out of the Options dialog window. Now let's say I want to apply a shell feature, but I only want to apply it to the Boss Extrude 2. Let's activate the shell command. Faces to remove, this face, and let's show a preview. Let's make it a 5 millimeter shell. Tab to accept. Notice I do have a problem. The shell feature was applied to the entire solid. Let's click OK to accept our changes, and let's see how we can fix this. Let's go to Boss Extrude 2. Right-click, Edit Feature. We'll need to uncheck Merge Result. And let's click OK. And now I get the result I'm looking for, where the shell is applied only to Boss Extrude 2. Let's take a look at the Solid Bodies folder. As you see, we've got 2 separate solid bodies now, Boss Extrude 1 and then the shell. And let's move on to our next step. Let's say I want to add a fillet. Let's activate the Fillet tool. We'll make it a 5 millimeter radius. And let's select this edge and this edge. In our preview, right away we see that there's a problem. To avoid this problem, before applying the fillet feature, I need to combine these 2 solids. Let's go to Insert, Features, Combine. The operation type will be Add. I'm going to select both solid bodies, and then I'll click OK. Let's roll back the bar. We obviously have a problem with the fillet. It's missing 2 edges, we see. The edge we used to create the fillet doesn't exist. We need to select new edges. I'll select here, and click OK. And this concludes our first lesson about working with multibody parts.